Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a connection reset error in Minecraft. Right, so the first thing what you need to do here on Google, you need to write here Minecraft server status here, and then you need to go to this website here. And then what you need to do here on this blank space, you need to put your server ID where you want to join, and then you need to press get server status here. And if the server has players here, and looks like if players are in the server, looks like the problem is not on their end, so probably is on yours. And to fix that, there is a couple of different options that you can do. So the first one, you need to just go to basically speedtest.net and test your internet speed. So if you have ping less than 100 milliseconds, you're good to go. And also you need to see if you have a good and consistent internet connection. And if you don't, maybe if you're using Wi-Fi, limit some devices or restart your router or reset your internet. And always, if there is a possibility, use a internet cable, right? And then another thing that you need to make sure, sometimes people uses VPN and basically they're getting this error. So you need to go to settings, then you need to go network and internet, select VPN, and make sure that if using VPN is not connected here, right? And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to open up Task Manager. Then you need to go to Performance, click on the burger menu here. Then you need to go to Resource Monitor, and then after press Network, and after a couple of seconds, you will see all the tasks that on your computer that uses a network connection. So what you need to do here is to end the tasks that you don't use. For example, my mouse and key, basically programs or others. Disable your browsers while you play the game, and if you don't use them, so disable them all and just end the tasks that you really know that don't break your operating system. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not, and also on the processes here as well, and all the tasks that you don't use here as well while you play the game. Right, and still if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to open up CMD or command prompt and right click run as administrator here, and here on the command basically option here, you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. And another command that you need to put is nesh winsock reset, and after that restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the next thing that you can do here is to change your DNS server address. And to do so, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, and then you need to go to advanced network settings. And on advanced network settings, here should be more network adapter options. Then select your internet, then right click on it, go to properties, make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on internet protocol version 4, and then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists. And still, if the problem persists, other thing that you can do here is to update your network adapter drivers. And to do so, you need to go to Device Manager. Then you need to look for network adapters here, and then update your network adapter. And if you really don't know which one to update it, update them all, super fast and easy. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers. It will take you a couple of seconds, so you can easily update them all if you have tons of the options here, right? And still, if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here is to update your operating system. So you need to go on search, then you need to write check for updates, or just go to settings and Windows update will be here, and then press check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And after that, restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. If the problem not on the servers, and also you got basically you have the good internet connection and speed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.